Alright, what's going on, y'all? Gaddy James here, finna do a quick review on another exclusive pickup. Well, I wouldn't say exclusive. Yeah, I say exclusive. Nobody gonna pay for them, so I call them exclusive. I ain't seen them on nobody feed it. Nike heads, shoe heads, know what these shoes are. You know what these are. I don't have to say much about them, just like in my last video. But a lot of people don't. It's just a shame that people don't know about these shoes. These are the Foamposite ones. These have the half-cent logo on the back, as you can see, the half-cent logo, and it has the half-cent logo on the front. These are known as the cough drops, and these are, in my opinion, the best shoe Nike has released all year long. I'm not putting anything on all the dunks that came out, all the Air Force Ones that came out. You know, a lot of the Air Force Ones, you can't get hold to those that were exclusively released to the general public. You can't get hold to those. So, for everybody that went to the mall and walked right by these shoes just to get the cool grays, I think you're crazy, because everybody and their mom has the cool grays, I can admit. But seeing these on somebody else's feet, does nothing, no justice. This shoe alone speaks by itself. You know, they don't look at advertising. Well, to me they did. To a lot of people, they don't look at advertising sitting on the shelf. You just see them. Until you actually pick this shoe up, put this shoe on, and wear the shoe out, and watch all the attention these shoes bring to you. Everybody's going to be looking down. You know, it takes all the attention off the cool grays. Walk with somebody in the mall with the cool grays on. Walk with these on. And watch what more attention comes to you. So these Foamposite ones, just the best release of the year. Better than the cool grays, I have to admit. They came out the same day. If you all didn't know, they did. $200. And these are worth every dime, every nickel, every penny for these shoes. These shoes fit kind of tight. I'm not gonna lie. I had to squeeze my feet in these. These are size 9, and they're built to where they will form around your feet. So once you put your feet in these, they're gonna be kind of tight. But after you get to wearing them for 15-20 minutes, they're gonna loosen up. And they're going to actually mold around your feet that way that they're nice and snug to your feet and not too tight and not too loose. One of the most comfortable shoes I've ever walked in, better than my Air Max's 24/7s. They're actually one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever had on. You see, these are the pearls. You know, these are the more Nike modified version of these shoes. You know, they had all the Nike signs and Nike in the back. You know, Nike on the bottom. And to me, and when I pick these shoes up, I just don't even worry about those shoes anymore. If you're a real shoe head, like you say you are, if you're a real copper, like you say you are, you go buy these. These for $200. And to clarify something up for people saying my shoes are fake, or I get them knocked off, or I go to the factory and buy my shoes for $95. I'm a real shoe head. There's no way I can duplicate this receipt. Every video I do, I'm going to pull out a receipt of some sort. Foot Locker. Foot Locker. See that? It say Foamposite, black/red, 200, 218, $218.50. There is no way that I can duplicate this receipt. So, just to close people's mouths, no, his shoes fake, man. He get his shoes free, man. Oh, no, he get all this stuff discounted. No, I pay for my shoes. So don't be one of those people that go get their stuff knocked off. Be real and just pay for your stuff. But, like I was saying, the exclusive for the year, you can wear these all year round. You can get away wearing those cool grays, but Jordan put out so many pair of shoes that cool grays are old. Like next week when a new pair come out or whatever, something else come out. I don't know when they come out, but these will never get old. Just like my pearls, I chalk to the back. That will never get old. So you all close your eyes and just gonna pay $200 for these shoes. They are worth every damn dime. You see the bottom of these are, these shoes would never crease up in the middle. They would never bend anywhere. I could do all this to these shoes. You're never gonna mold back to their original spot. So go ahead and pay $200 for these shoes, because they're gonna be worth it. And watch all the attention you get to these. I'm gonna do another review soon. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do it. I'm not sure what shoe. I want to do the 3s. I think I'm going to do the 3s that come out soon. I'm going to review those. So y'all take it easy. Have a happy holidays. And peace.